Welcome to Teacher Ferwin TV, an online opportunity to learn infinitely. This is John Ferwin Zamora Camargo for another episode of I Can Learn. Okay, next is the matching time. So this is a very good interactive thing here in EDFORM because we can have the matching. So here we can have the matching. Just click matching, then activated. We have the plus sign in our cursor. Then where's the printer? This one is the printer. Then add a pair. First you can set the origin first and then add a pair. So just connect this to where you want, or where is the correct answer. So if you want this, so that's it. Again, matching, we have from speakers, add a pair to the speaker. Then we have the monitor. Then we have the system unit, add a pair, system unit, and then lastly add a pair, that is the microphone. Again, to avoid hints, resize it. Okay, like that. So that is the fill in the blank, checkbox, multiple choice, drop down, hotspot, drag and drop, matching type or elements. So this open-end, so I forgot to put it in our PDF, so we can add a text. What is your learning, for instance? And then, so that's it. You add that to text because you forgot to put it. You may resize, change the font style to Times New Roman, then resize to 16. Then after that, you can put an open-ended element. That's it, where the students can write their answers. So what is the downside of having it even in Google Forms is that it cannot be auto-graded if you have an open-ended question. Okay, in the Pro version, you can also demand them to record their answers. For instance, what if you're learning and you want them to give you a recorded audio of their answer? They can also give you a recorded audio of their answer. So we have the click audio recorder, then press it here. So that's it. They can also have that. So for instance, what is your learning? Watch first. For instance, watch this video and watch this video and answer the following question, like that. So you will insert a YouTube video. So we have this one. So is it important to plan ahead? Because if you want, you cannot add another page here for another activity. So what is being uploaded is what you're going to use. So if this is the case, the video will play just like this size. But if you will adjust as big as this, then your video will also be as big as this. So what you're going to do is just copy. So we have an example, a sample video link here, then just paste it here and then click OK. Do not forget to click OK. So you will adjust the size. If you will resize it smaller like that, okay, like that, then it will also, the students will also see it as small as this. That is for video. If you will put an audio, then just click audio and start uploading if you want. Okay, hello, this is our topic, like that, then stop recording. That's it. Then they can play there. Okay, hello, this is our topic. You can play the audio. Stop recording. So next is the text I have shown you earlier. The image, same thing. You can add an image, upload an image, for instance, like that. You can resize, relocate to where you want it to put. So it is very essential to plan your pages so that you have enough pages. Then next we have an information. So this is a good thing because for instance, we have, this one, and let's delete it for a while. It's very good thing that we have information because we can put here an information that when they click this button, you can give them a comment. So for instance, printer, is it a printer? Okay, monitor. A monitor is a box type peripheral that you can use to see what does the computer processes, such that when they click this, they can see the information. Okay, by the way, this put back, okay, because by the way, let's put back the video because we will try to see it in the student interface. Then the audio, Here is our lesson for today. And then text, image. Okay. It's a good.
The love.